thing me I talk about. So all I would have did with Brit baby never get the time for help her, my to not care, but me I talk about the selector. I will come and say, Brit, me friend. So me if it there, so now me if it a friend, I say if it give me a friend, so me lick back and me thump her, cause it's hot. That is what I am talking about. He didn't declare that event. Him sit down and make it look like said, no man, Brie, I'm a friend, my mother do that with Brie. Brie did that call my Batman and I tell me something, my mother. And I throw the laptop in her cold, but below her, when she done, somebody else with her. Him thumb the girl in her face and bust her underneath all her height. She should have a like brother for see and beat out your dirty blood. I like violence, you know. That's why nobody can do me nothing. God Almighty truth, you know why? God knows me not like violence. My body know. My bad girl don't get me wrong, but me not like violence. Me loving. I should never have a friend. She see her time. Man? Yeah. Me not like that. I know what she do him. Any day one man kick me, me dead enough. I will play football and sit up on the road. If your man kick, you see the secret will spit by me? Why you think me take it to heart? So man always challenge me, you know. Man always hate me. Man always take set from me. You see security? Me say, me take around 3 years to get to spit by me. When I crazy, but wake up in the morning. My daughter pregnant. I just come from Jamaica, you know. I'm going to the store so fresh and nice. You know, I have a nice good spirit. I'm going to take out the bag out of the store and put it on my hand. And the man come and say, give me the bag. I'm going to say, no. Because remember my argument. I know I'm right. Send it so you can't just calm me down. I said, no, I'm still in the store. You can't tell me. But when after I said that, after I contest him, I said, I'm going to to me for tell me give him the bag. I'm in a store shop. Morning. So to my consideration now, I take the bag off of my and I hang it up back now for argument. Say no, give him pleasure to put on the bag. The man come. When I put on the bag now, me walk up to him and I said to him, say, I touch him. I said, excuse me, security, and him said, don't touch him. And just spit by me, son. Just like that. I know, me talk, I'm gonna believe, cause me I say, if somebody tell me, but I say a lie. I know every time I talk, I cry, I know it's not a lie, me I tell you, it hurt me so much. To see the man just spit by me like that. It's when I see the spit by me, I never forgot I in my back pocket, my phone there. I'ma just drop my phone and I say, everybody see it, I take it for drama. But until today, it hurt me. I said, I run on the man and kick, spit after the man. I said, I reach at the door. Eh? Yeah, baby, get my piece of that kid, thank you. I said, I reach at the door. The man kick after me, you know. Do you ever turn the idiot? Hear me to the man now. Lick me, I say, if you don't listen to the video, that's on YouTube. Listen back to the video. Either I'm turning the camera and say, wait, me give them a member. Because when you have a man, sometimes you have some girl or some man. Say any day a man put them foot for me. It's a different level of disrespect that. Oh, shut up. Shut up. Don't rap with me. Yeah. That me not think me could have cope with. Cause from me I grew up, them tell you, 2 things enough to make man do you. Kick you and spit by you. Yeah. So if it's the same spit by me, it hurt me. You see me I talk now, I feel it in my heart. See, one time, cause the man live work 5 minutes, place for 5 minutes, so where I'm living now. Every time I drive past, I see the man, I used to say, that's the man! Drunk, can you spit by me? God, the man on me every time I see the man want to go up at the store, go that man. I may have to stop in at the middle road, you know. I want high street, you know. Me terrible, you know. Me not take violation and nothing can joke me I make it on. I'm stopping at me go road, I'm a cuss till them move the man. And one day, me and Nastasia drive, I'm see him, I'm drive him down, because I wanted to make peace with him. Because I wanted to say, Madam, why you really spit on me? I know, I just thought the man running up, and I said, come here. Yeah, so, them little things, I one little sensitive woman, you know, as rough as me, I'm sensitive, because certain little things, like all that, yeah, man, me. So I know them little things that I mean. I get up and disrespect, man, so that is the next thing. You hear me say, me not get up, be defenseful. I want to attack, say, I'm not getting none of my party. What's really going on? Nothing going on, you know. Just I get a little motivational speech. I said, if I saw no, every week now, one man I got and they come back around again with the same. Hey, Mash, may I tell you, if you're up on the line, may I tell you, Mash, get a what are you drinking, you know? Because if me ever see my friend drunk and nobody abuse them, automatically, if it, I not have it. And I say, me a Mash and do a drive, you see? And when I mash virgin, you know, mash junk, you know, and I say, if the summer hurt me so till, you know, I say, the man said to Mash, get out of the car. And I say, Mash, don't go. The man start punch up Mash, you know, man. Hey, I say, Yvette, I'm not busy, you know. I'm a real loyalty. All if me not like Mash, I Mash just do me something, I see nobody abuse me. A different friend. And so I see the man give Mash the two thump and I go to the third and I just start class him dirty blood. I say, move your dirty blood, friend. He never kill me and Mash out there. I drive left him blood. I know star. I don't like them things, man. I don't know when people vulnerable. I said sometimes with up on my last speech, like yesterday, I get up on me, anointed myself as a peace. You know? Wake up and say, alright, give me right crazy, them I bring in. The spirit say, ask a peace, Queenie. Somebody from now, Queenie, why you take so much disrespect? I don't know when people, there's time and place to things. Yeah. You understand me? There's time and place to things. You see the man, I'm not friend no more than my friend, you know. My tongue against for my friend. Move your blood and leave my friend junk. So you can't be better than my friend to feel like the dream junk. You can't abuse him. I switch against you.